Hello everyone, welcome to another Photopea tutorial. Now in this tutorial we will show you how to rotate image in Photopea. I will also show you how to resize an image as well. So if you want to rotate the image in Photopea, all you have to do is go here to the this button right here. Then what you can do is you can go click on the layer and go transform controls. This will actually give you the ability to go here, and as you can see, we can just go with left click and we can drag this image to the left. This will drag it to the left, right? What you can also do is you can also make it here, for example, 90 degrees, right? And then hit enter, right? That's 90 degrees. We can also make it, for example, 5 here. This will just narrow it a little bit. And then we can also make it 5 here. It will also narrow it, right? So you can do a lot of different stuff here. Once you're done, we can just click OK. And that is pretty much it. That will be your, rotated image, right? Other than that, you can go to the transform controls, untick them to, remove the transform controls, right? And that's pretty much it, right? So that is basically, how you can rotate the image. You can also obviously resize the image by just going here and resizing it, right? As you can see right here. But that is pretty much how to, go and rotate image in Photopea. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.